Her breath appeared as cold steam in the icy air. As she climbed higher, the glow of the blue snow grew stronger. At last, she reached the very top. And there, the Norbel was trapped in a thick layer of ice. Completely silent, completely cold. But the most frightening thing for Laila was... on the edge of the bell, a dark, cold shadow was breathing. His breath was freezing the ice, his eyes like blue smoke.
The light, I will not let it return.
We'll see that.
The world must stay cold, silent, still.
Laila did not step back. Who are you? And why are you stopping the bell?
My name is Shadow Cold.
I will not let you stop the bell.
I am born from the little sadness hidden in every heart.
Then I will fill hearts with light instead.
Today, the hearts of people were fearful, so I became powerful.
Sadness comes, but it does not always stay. I will not let you win! The shadow disappeared, but the bell stayed cold. Only the warmth of hearts could awaken the bell. That is why Laila set out on her journey through the blue snow. She passed through the snowy valleys. She touched the ice on the waterfalls and listened to the mountain's breath.
Don't be afraid. I'll keep you warm.
There, you'll be warm now.
Thank you. You're so kind.